Hello everyone, welcome back to BioBoard classes. Today in this video we are diving into the Stelar system in Pteridophytes, a key topic in plant anatomy that often shows up in exams. So what is a stele? The stele is a central vascular cylinder in the stem or root of a vascular plant. It includes xylem, phloem and surrounding tissues like pericycle or endodermis, as you can see in this given figure. The dark boundary is the stele and it includes xylem, phloem and pericycle and also endodermis. In Pteridophytes, the Stelar system shows a wide variety of patterns helping in classification and understanding evolution. The Stelar evolution in Pteridophytes follows this general sequence: Protostele, Siphonostele, Solenostele Dictyostele and Eustele. Let's break down each type. So first is Protostele. Protostele is the most primitive type which is found in Lycopodium. It has a solid core of xylem which is surrounded by phloem. No pith is present, as you can see in the diagram, and its variants are actinostele, which has a star-shaped xylem, and plectostele, which has a plate-like xylem in patches. And examples are Selaginella and Lycopodium. Next is Siphonostele. Siphonostele is more advanced than Protostele. Here, central pith is present, which is surrounded by vascular tissue, creating a hollow cylinder of vascular tissue. Types of Siphonostele are ectophloic and amphiphloic. In ectophloic, phloem is present only outside the xylem, as you can see in the diagram, and its example is Marsilea, whereas in amphiphloic Siphonostele, phloem is present on both sides, and its example is Erianthum. Third is Solenostele. Solenostele is a type of Siphonostele where the vascular system is interrupted by leaf gap. What is a leaf gap? Area where vascular tissue is absent due to leaf attachment. A Siphonostele with non-overlapping leaf gap is Solenostele. It is still relatively simple and found in terrace. Fourth is Dictyostele. Dictyostele is a further development of a Siphonostele but with numerous overlapping leaf gaps, which gives the stele a dissected appearance. This is a Siphonostele with overlapping leaf gaps forming separate vascular stands. As you can see in the diagram, it looks like a ring of bundles and each is called as meristele. It is found in ferns like Diopteris. And in the previous diagram, there was only one leaf gap present, but in Dictyostele, there are numerous leaf gaps are present. Fifth is Eustele. Eustele is typically found in seed plants but also seen in advanced pteridophytes like Equisetum. Here, the vascular bundles are separate and arranged in a ring. It is characteristic of seed plants like Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Let's quickly summarize. Protostele has no pith and it is most primitive. Siphonostele, pith is present. Solenostele, leaf gaps are present but they are not overlapping. In Dictyostele, leaf gaps are overlapping, and Eustele, ring of vascular bundle are present. Now let's take a look at a trick to remember this order. We can remember the order by this particular mnemonic, which is plants spread seeds during evolution. Plants spread seeds during evolution. That's it for today's lecture. Want more botany breakdowns? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. That's it for the Stelar system in Pteridophytes. Leave a comment if you want diagrams or MCQs in the next video. I'll see you in the next video.